Namaste and welcome to Simplifying Meditation. Here I am presenting meditation techniques for the very beginners. Today we will practice meditation on listening. Then another day we will practice on breathing, then sensations, then body movements, so on and so forth. Now let's prepare for meditation. Sit comfortably on the ground or on a chair. If you can sit cross-legged, it is fine, or you can just sit on the chair with your feet touching the ground. The most important thing is that the back has to be straight and the head erect, but not stiff, straight and relaxed. Take few deep breaths. This will help us to quieten our mind. We will learn more about breathing in next lesson. Okay. Now I will play this singing ball. All you need to do is to listen to the sound. To listen, you do not need to put any effort. Just be attentive to the sound. Just allow the sound to go through your ears. In between, if mind wanders, gently bring it back to the sound. No need to have any negative feeling about it. To wander is the nature of the mind. Just recognize it. Let's start an experience. I will strike the singing ball for 10 times. Please listen to the sound from the beginning to the end. Now, if you watch your breathing, it must have changed. You can notice it. At the same time, the feeling in the body must also have changed. You can notice it too. While listening, at times also notice your breathing and feel the body. Now let's practice some more listening exercises. You will hear different sounds. Just listen to them. Now, let's listen to the noises of the city. I give you this practice so that you can practice listening meditation even when you are amidst the noises in the city. Generally, we get stressed with the noises, but with the practice of meditation, you can transform the stressful noises into meditative music. It depends on how you take the noises. Let's start. Now, let's listen to the sound around us without any judgment. See how many types of sounds are there in the environment. Now, let's once again listen to the singing bowl. Last time we listened to the sound of the singing bowl from the beginning to the end. This time, we listen not only to the singing bowl, but also to the silence in between. So, this is non stop listening, whether there is a sound from the singing bowl or not. Now the meditation concludes, but please do not open the eyes immediately. We need to share the peace we derive from the meditation to the world. This is called Maitri Bhavana. Feel the peace in you. Now intend that the peace is spreading in your family. The color of the peace could be white. Or you can imagine the color of love, that is pink. Or a mix of white and pink. Now imagine that peace and love is spreading beyond your family to the community you are living in. It is spreading more and more and encompasses the whole world. And finally, the whole universe. You can remain with the peace and love for a while if you like. Or if you want to come out of meditation, just rub your palms gently. Place the palms on the eyes, then gently open the eyes and move your body slowly. The meditation session ends. Now, after this sitting meditation, let's discuss on how to use listening as meditation in our daily life. In Buddhist term, it is called Iriyapat. That means practice of meditation in daily life. Whenever you remember this practice, just be aware of the sound around you. You do not need to pay full or 100% attention. That is not possible. Just pay a bit more attention than usual. Just become a bit more aware than usual. The key is that when you listen without judgment. When I was practicing listening meditation, one evening, I was just going to sleep and there was a sound of a generator. Anyway, it was not too loud, but loud enough to disturb a person. Immediately, the mind judged, and it was very disturbing to me. Then I remembered the practice. I dropped judging and just listened. By and by, the sound was not disturbing at all, but was helpful to go to sleep. Then I realized that no sound itself was disturbing until we judged them. This applies not only to sound, but many things in our life. In this way, from meditation, we get many insights. Another practice you can do is to pay a bit more attention when interacting with people. When you are listening to someone, pay attention to the speaker. Pay attention to the words, tone of voice, facial expressions, and body language. This is called whole body listening. Your whole body is listening to another person's whole body. You can also pay attention to the words when speaking. In the same way, you can also pay attention to your words when speaking, and also pay attention to your tone of voice, facial expression, and body language. Practice it for some days. The practice doesn't have to be rigorous. Just do it in a relaxed manner. You will find something new in listening, and you can share it with me. Thank you for being with me. Namaste and goodbye for today.